Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your font style in your Android applications, then you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to change the font style in Android. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. To do that, head over to your settings and then scroll down until you see the section of display. There are several options of brightness, blue light filter and home screen. Click on that. And if you scroll down, you can see an option font size and style. Tap on it. And here you can change your font style by clicking on the font style option. There are several options already installed for you. But if you want to download more fonts, you can click on download fonts and there they will allow you to download several fonts or any type of fonts you want that matches with your taste, and you just have to change it to that, and that's it. You can also change the font size from here and make the font bold also by toggling the bold font option. And that's all for the font size and style settings for Android. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us.